sound like angry mice.
How about we try something else? Ooh, I know. Daytime stargazing. Sounds cool, doesn't it?
Daytime napping. That's cool.
It's star-tacular, if we're inventing new words.
I'll allow it. Daytime stargazing it is.
All I see is sky.
Munchkin, maybe daytime stargazing requires a telescope?
Well, if you want to do it the easy way.
Not sure I want to do it at all. Huh? Oh, time for a fixorama.
Maybe leave the new words to me.
One of you put your paw there?
I got it! I said I got it!
No, I want to do it.
No, I want to do it!
I said I got it.
I said I got it!
Oh, come on, let me do
No.
it. No! Good news. The swing needs even more fixing now.
Maybe we should all do our own thing. Like, I'll find someone that likes to howl as much as me.
I could try to find someone who wants to stargaze.
And I'll find someone to fix things with.
This is gonna be howlsational! Howlificent! Forget it. It'll be great. Howling partner auditions. This will get the word out. Perfect.
One ticket for the movie starring the pug in the funny jumper.
The next cat I see will be my stargazing buddy. What? Oh!
What? If you want to study greatness, at least take notes.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
So, we did it?
You sure did.
We got the part.
Yep.
Yes, we are going to be in a movie.
You get to howl with me. Wait, what?
We were auditioning to be in a movie, weren't we?
No, you were auditioning to be my howling partner. It lets you unleash your inner dog from within. Oh!
Yeah. No.
Why? Why not? Don't you like to fix things? I bet there's all sorts of stuff to fix in Dogtown.
Are you saying Dogtown's broken?
What? No! I just meant it'll be fun.
Fix this.
That's a rock.
I'm hungry.
Oh.
Are you coming?
Yep, absolutely. I'm hungry too. Food'll fix that.
Yodelay. Yodelay. Hee-hoo.
Yodel what hee how.
Needs more oomph. Yodelay. Hee-hoo.
Yodel ho hee how.
That is not it.
I'll have you know that was a perfect yodel. Just in the key of confusion. Never mind. Next!
Did you know Venus is called the morning star because it's the easiest planet to see in the daytime? So maybe I could take a peek.
I knew it! It's right there! Literally plain as day.
Huh? What is?
The cheese! The cheese! The moon is cheese!
I'm pretty sure the moon is the moon.
Ha! I see the truth with my own cat eyes. It's cheese!
The moon does have a crust, but it's not made of cheese.
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon! My telescope!
Cheese.
Oh, man.
That was my best apple.
Agreed, but it's missing something. Ah, yes! Tabby would be complaining about my doggy manners, while Munchkin would know the apple's nutritional content.
Oh, should I keep going?
Only if you want me to keep eating. Next!
Oh no, our table is wobbly.
Fun.
Yep, because we can fix it.
But Tabby, it doesn't need fixing. Your turn. Oh, Bow Wow Main, my favorite. Uh-oh. So maybe the table does need fixing after all?
Yep, my time has come. There.
Good as new. Tabby, when you fix things, you really fix things. Now, let's eat. You know, fixing things with you has turned out to be fun. You, Flix, and Munchkin, always up to something.
Yeah. No. No.
What do you mean, no?
Just no.
Huh? Tabby and Munchkin would have had notes. I missed my weirdos. Next! Nope! Next! Oh, come on! Oh! I'll get it. Or maybe I won't.
It's kind of like that time you jumped on that ball of yarn.
And it unraveled all over the room. But don't worry, Flix. We've got this. Don't worry, Flix. Climbing trees.
Is more of a cat thing.
But I am a cat.
Hey, Flix.
Greta? What are you doing here?
Ugh, my mum's doing paperwork again. Something about dual citizenship.
Dual citizenship sounds like twice as much awesome.
It means you can be from Dogtown and Cattown.
Wait, so I could officially be both?
Actually, yes. You'd be ideal as the first dual citizen, seeing as you're a dog cat or a cat dog.
Hey, I'm a lot of things. Squirrel enthusiast, Matt Cat superfan, bone digger extraordinaire. But I could never leave Cattown.
Don't worry. A dual citizen means you can stick around here in Cattown, but be welcome in Dogtown anytime you like.
You want to be a what?
A dual citizen.
Isn't being a citizen of Cattown enough?
But why stop at enough when you can have double the towns, double the snacks, double the fun?
Ah, double the snacks. Why didn't you say so?
Greta's gonna help me. There she is. Greta! Hi, Greta. I'm ready to be a dual citizen now, please.
Not so fast, Flix. There's a test.
A test? You forgot to mention that.
Don't worry. Greta's got your back. I'll train you in all the dog activities you'll be tested in. With my help, you might just pass. First up, chasing your tail.
Chasing my tail? Easy peasy.
Hold up. I've made this part of the test extra fun. Well, for me.
Whoa! I have to chase my tail around that?
Are you dog enough, Flix? You actually did it. I'm impressed. Sort of.
I'm going to ace this test. What's next?
Bone burying.
Possum! I'm a bona fide bone barrier.
Next up, swimming.
Swimming? Ha! Piece of hate.
But is your doggy paddle good enough? Not bad, Flix. But not great either. Next up, chasing cats.
Wait, what?
Oh, I don't know, Greta. Chasing cats is an old tradition that dogs don't really do anymore. Is it really on the citizenship test?
Well, no. I just thought it could be fun.
It is kind of fun.
Fun! Chasing cats is fun! That's it! Flix, I've had enough of all of this dog stuff.
Me too. Tabby, wait up.
Well, they're no fun, are they? Cats. Am I right? Louder. Louder. Higher. Higher.
How many?
3, please. Oh, I mean 2.
Fetch. 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 Fetch.
This is no fun.
Without Flix.
Am I ready? I'm ready. Maybe I'm ready. I feel like I'm ready.
You're ready.
Tabby, Munchkin, Greta says I'm ready. My dual citizen test is tomorrow. Isn't it exciting?
It's something.
You don't sound excited.
Why should we be excited about you becoming a citizen of Dogtown?
Are you saying Cat Town isn't good enough anymore?
What? No! Cat Town is awesome. It's where I learn to leap fences and land on my paws every time. So useful.
Then why are you spending all your time with Greta doing dog stuff?
It's like you don't care about the Bow Meow crew anymore.
Of course I do. Don't be silly.
Come on, Munchkin. Let's go before he starts barking at us.
I don't get it. I know cats can be moody, but this is ridiculous.
Tell me about it. They're like a riddle wrapped in a hairball.
I should be on my way to Dogtown, but I can't stop thinking about what Tabby and Munchkin said. Can you believe them? Neither can I. Being a citizen of Dogtown doesn't take away from being a citizen of Cattown, does it? You think it does? Maybe it does. I've been spending way more time with Greta in Dogtown lately. Did I let Tabby and Munchkin down? What am I doing? Dogtown can keep its paperwork. I just need Tabby and Munchkin. Thanks, Felina. You're a lifesaver.
Huh?
What
are you doing here?
I was getting Flix for his citizenship test.
We were coming to get Flix for his test, too.
We felt bad about everything we said yesterday.
But I've decided not to get my citizenship.
What?
It's not worth losing my best friends over being a dual citizen. You two are way more important than any fancy title or the extra snacks.
Oh, Flix, you'd give up extra snacks for us?
We don't mind whether you're a citizen of Dogtown or Cattown.
Or the moon?
Oh, I could be a moon pup. One small paw for cats, one giant bark for dog kind.
You'll always be just Flix to us.
Ugh, this is getting too mushy. Are we doing the test or what?
I'm done.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I think there's one test left.
Which one?
Cat chasing!
Chasing cats? That is not proper Dogtown citizen behavior. Citizenship denied.
Oh no, Flix, we're sorry.
You know what? I'm not. I wasn't chasing cats. I was having fun with my besties. If that means I can't be a citizen of Dogtown, then that's okay.
No, Flix, it's not. Flix is showing the biggest dog trait of all. Loyalty. You can't deny him his citizenship for being loyal. Citizenship approved.
And it's time to get a whiff of everyone's favorite game. What's that smell? So, kitty cat, who are you and where do you come from?
Hi, I'm Tabby Scratch from Cattown.
Welcome to the show. Are you ready to play What's That Smell?
I'd like to know, what did I have for dinner last night?
Ooh, let's see. Or should I say, let's smell. Time for this canine to flex his nasal know-how. Aha! This olfactory never lets me down. Last night, Tabby, you had cod carpaccio. Thank you. It's a gift. I'm a natural. I don't know what to say.
But you're wrong. I had mackerel mini bites.
What? Are you sure? Yes, very good, of course. Mackerel mini bites. That was a toughie. 1-0 to Tabby Scratch. And you, my fine feline, who are you and where do you come from?
I'm Munchkin from the Tiger Milk Cafe, and I'd like to know what's in my lunchbox.
Easy. Anchovy crackers.
No, it's seafood paste patties.
2-0 to the cats.
Maybe I've got a cold. But someone with extra smelly feet and a sardine sandwich is coming around the corner.
What? Have I got something on my face?
One extra stinky foot here and here.
Hey! My feet are not smelly! Ha!
And one sardine sandwich.
It's sushi. Get your own.
Looks like your olfactory has shut down, Flix.
But this can only mean one thing. I've lost my sense of smell. Nope, not there. Hello?
I think Flix has lost his marbles as well as his sense of smell.
Did you know that cats have 200 million odor receptors in their noses, but a dog has 300 million?
300 million? If there's so many, then where are they?
Flix, I don't think you can find a sense of smell.
Maybe you can remember the last time you had it.
Yes. Try your mind palace.
Anyone home?
If my mind has a palace, it's pretty empty right now.
A mind palace is a way of remembering things. Let me show you. Just close your eyes. Explore your thoughts and memories. Let them guide you to your sense of smell.
Okay, Mind Palace. Explore my thoughts and memories. Come on, Flix. Think. Think. Further back.
Flix, stop hogging the bathroom.
Can't beat some suds. And got it. And fetch. Nice catch, Flix.
Flix, focus! You're meant to remember where you lost your sense of smell, not just recreate pleasant memories.
I'm just getting the hang of it.
It's working, Flix. Let's go again.
The last time I had my sense of smell was when... Dad served up his shrimp stew.
Flix, don't rush your food.
So, what happened to your smell?
It just seems to have vanished. A great sense of smell is one of the perks of being a dog. I've got to find it. Maybe we can find some clues at home.
Great, let's head back to Inception.
To what?
The beginning of this mystery.
Easy does it. Clues could be anywhere. Don't disrupt anything.
Let's lock this location down.
Nothing here. Let's head outside. Smelly sock? No. Old tin of beans? Nope. I can't smell anything.
Wow, this is new. Flix's dad really can make anything.
I know. I could try learning how to smell again. And I know the perfect place to do it.
Back to basics, Flix. I like it.
Let the food smelling commence.
Wait. Flix should be blindfolded.
I'm already nose blind, so why not? Oh yes, strong vibes. I know exactly what this is. This is definitely strawberry salmon. What? A sardine souffle? I wasn't even close.
Never mind. You'll get the next one.
I don't think there's fish in this dish, but I'm not getting much of a clue. Is it spider pie?
It's vanilla mice cream.
We believe in you, Flix.
One more go.
I don't know.
It's a crunchy crab salad.
I can't smell anything. Oh, this is hopeless.
It could be a cold? One of those 24-hour viruses?
Yeah, maybe just sleep on it, Flix. You'll be better tomorrow.
I hope so.
Ooh. Well, smell anything?
Nothing. Zip. Zero. This is it. Without my sense of smell, I can no longer call myself a dog. And I won't even be accepted as a dog cat. I'll be forced out of Felinia, cursed to roam the world in search of my sense of smell, which I'll never find again. But what if we make a smell so strong, I won't be able to not smell it?
I think I follow that logic.
We've tried everything else. Nothing to lose, right?
Let's start with 2 to 3 drops of aqueous solution.
I'll get the smelling strips.
Remember, guys, the whiff has got to make me sniff, so the pong has got to be strong.
No. You're doing it all wrong. You'll need this.
Not ammonium sulfide.
Ammonium sulfide?
It will make it smell like rotten eggs.
Exactly. A super stink bomb. I didn't mean to put that much in.
Stand back, everyone! It's going to...
Oh, that is the worst.
Rotten egg overload.
You must be able to smell that, Flix.
No, still nothing. But hold on. There's something wrong with my...
Flix, you're gross.
Now you really do have something on your face.
Ew.
Freeze! Precious evidence.
Ooh.
Apium graveolens, otherwise known as celery.
It's from the shrimp stew. Dad always puts loads of celery in.
You really shouldn't eat so fast, Flix.
Finally. A smell of victory. Okay, wow. Rotten eggs. But I've got my sense of smell. I've got my mojo back. I've got...
A lot to answer for. What are you doing here? Unauthorized use of school equipment? Production of hazardous smells? Detention! All of you!
Ammonium sulfide, huh?
I was only trying to egg you on.
But now we've got detention.
Don't worry. If anyone can make detention fun, it's me. Especially as I'm back to my smelly self. The olfactory is open. Ew. Kinda wish it was closed again.